This is a video guide for USB cloning for non-WebOS commercial display televisions. To learn from a master set, insert a USB flash drive into the USB port on the rear of the television as shown. Begin by pressing the settings button on the remote control. When the menu appears, use the directional arrows on the remote to navigate to the lock icon and press the number 7 button 7 times. The TV manager will appear on screen. Next, press the number sequence 9, 8, 7, 6 and press OK. Navigate to Learn from TV TLX file and press the OK button once more. Next, press OK to begin the learning process and export the TLX file to the USB flash drive. After the clone file has been created, you can remove the USB flash drive from the television. To teach from a TLX clone file, insert the USB flash drive with the clone file into the USB port on the rear of the television. Press the settings button on the remote control and navigate to the lock option icon. Press the 7 button on the remote control 7 times for the TV Manager menu. Navigate to the Teach to TV option and press OK. Select the file from the list to be loaded into the set and press OK. A progress indicator will appear on screen and provide the update status. When completed, a check mark will appear beside the file name. The on-screen display will appear after the process is finished. You may then remove the USB flash drive from the unit and the new cloned settings are active. Thank you for watching this instructional guide for non-WebOS commercial television cloning.